And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
6:43 here on this Tuesday morning, and if you wake up early enough, you're already a quarter way through the day, I guess. Yeah, 6:43, headed our way towards 7 o'clock, and eventually toward a warm afternoon with sunshine. 70 in McAllen right now. Most places in the 60s. We're still 61 in Harlingen and in Raymondville, and 65 in Rio Grande City. Your day planner, though, it is going to be a day when temperatures warm back into the 80s. The difference between the last, yesterday and today is that humidity will be down more. It fell some yesterday, but will be much lower by this afternoon. We have a weak cold front coming through later this morning. Behind it, getting a little breezy at times, but temperatures by noon around 80 degrees, around 84 by 5 p.m., but with low humidity and a full day of sunshine. There's a weak cold front on here, and again, it's weak because there's not really a temperature drop behind it. You see it's in the 60s ahead of the front and mostly in the 60s or upper 50s behind the front. But with the lower humidity, some of the cooler weather at night will come down as we cool off more at night with that dry air in place. Notice on Future Track, it shows very little wind initially this morning, but by around 10 or 11 in the morning, the winds from the north increasing a bit. Strongest along the coast, where these color shadings here indicate about a 20 to 25 mile per hour wind, but a little less farther inland. But there should be a little breeze blowing from the north at times today, late this morning and this afternoon, but the strongest winds near the coast. And you see by this afternoon still that same pattern, the blue indicating less wind in Starr and western Hidalgo counties by then, but still some stronger winds possible around 20 miles per hour or higher near the coast before everything quiets down tonight. So Future Track again shows that weak front rolling into the area later this morning between about 8, 9 or 10 o'clock and then moving through the area. But sunshine around, very few clouds a day, and temperatures back in the 80s this afternoon with the low humidity returning today and lasting for the next couple of days. Cool temperatures tonight. I imagine most areas will be down in the 50s tomorrow morning. So when you wake up tomorrow morning, it's probably going to be about, roughly about 10 degrees cooler almost compared to this morning. So we're in the 60s now, probably in the 50s tomorrow morning, and about the same on Thursday morning. Sunshine around, low humidity on Wednesday with very little wind tomorrow. I think most of Wednesday wind speeds maybe 5 or 10 miles per hour. Thursday, cool in the morning, but I think the overall wind flow starts to come back in from the southeast later in the day to help bring back some warmer temperatures. So it could be a little warmer Thursday afternoon, but then the next cool down comes later on Friday. At the coast, breezy there today. A small craft advisory is in effect at the coast. Temperatures in the low 80s today, probably upper 70s tomorrow with less wind on Wednesday. So First Warn 5 forecast today, highs near 85 with sunshine around, kind of breezy at times late this morning and this afternoon, lower humidity, and the winds roughly about 10 to 20 miles per hour, but a little stronger than that possibly near the coast. By tonight, clear, cool temperatures in the evening falling from the 70s near sunset through the 60s, eventually into the 50s in most areas late tonight, and lighter winds. First Warn 5 7-day forecast, noticed how there is a lot of sunshine in this one. If there are some clouds, mainly on Friday, there might be some clouds scattered around when the cold front rolls in, but every other day, pretty much sun. Highs around 85 today. 79 might be aiming a little low tomorrow. I mean, a lot of places probably in the low 80s, especially in western Hidalgo and Starr counties, but low humidity, light winds tomorrow. Thursday, sunshine, a bit warmer, highs near 87. That's ahead of the next front, which comes in probably about midday on Friday. So we may start off warm, a little more humid Friday morning, and as the front passes, there is a small chance for a shower around midday or early afternoon, and then breezy and cooler. We could see some gusty winds at the coast on Friday afternoon and evening and even into Saturday morning. But notice the weekend is looking way different than most every other weekend lately. Sunshine, low humidity, highs in the 70s, lows in the 50s, maybe upper 40s, especially late Saturday night or Sunday morning. Cool start to the day. But we'll keep tracking the cooler days ahead for a change in your First Warn 5 forecast coming up.